Hi there, Chris with ACN, back at Six Flags Magic Mountain for another construction update on Wonder Woman Flight of Courage, which is just right over my shoulder here. Looks like they've done a lot of work in the last 6 days since I was here last. So let's go check that out. Also, if you are new to this channel, please consider giving us a sub, also this video a like. It would be much appreciated. All right, let's go check it out. Wow, yeah, they've gotten up so much track. You know, considering they only did one piece of track when I was here last week on Thursday, they've done like, it looks like 6 pieces of track or something like that. Right now they're working on getting that top of the dive loop up. So let's check that out. Oh, they are going right now. How about that? Perfect timing. And back down again. Well, I prematurely got excited. It's just been a lot of ups and downs with the track for the last 20 minutes while they adjust it. Looks like they're grabbing, I think it's like a leveler or something like that, that they're gonna attach to the track to help maneuver it. So right now the crane just repositioned to go pick that piece up, and then they'll bring it back, attach it to the track that they wanna get up. And hopefully here pretty soon we will see it attached to the top up there. All right. It's been about an hour and a half since I got here and they were lifting this piece up, but it's been just a lot of adjusting since then, and now they've gone to lunch. So I'm gonna go over to the other side of the construction zone where the station is and see how that's looking. All right, let's go over there. Well, from the looks of it, there's not much to report on here. It's looking very similar to how it looked a week ago. But here's a look at it. And looking in this direction, it looks the same as well. But as soon as that lift hill starts going up, it's gonna look a lot different. All right, the guys are back from lunch and trying to get this piece up. Let's see how it goes. A guy just went up on that lift there, so it looks like they're going to make another attempt at getting the track piece up. And here we go.
Six Flags is committed to being a greener, more environmentally friendly place to play. All around the park, you'll see and experience our efforts to reduce our waste and recycle our resources. We invite you to join us here today and at your home as we all work together to preserve our Earth, ensuring flows for generations to come.
Wait, 10-minute wait. Yeah, 10-minute wait.
There's nobody backing out of none of the shit except y'all. I hope y'all can make yours.
It's almost there. They finally have the piece of track aligned with the other, and you can't see from this angle, but it's also lined up with the support. And what's kind of crazy is that until they get that next piece of track attached, this one is just going to be free floating for a really long gap, a really long span, that is. Here's another angle where you can see where the track attaches to the support. The sun's not in the best spot right now, but trying to do the best I can for you guys. With the lift out of the way, you can get a better look at what they're doing here with attaching the track together. They've been working on the underside of it. They still have to put a plate on the top section of the track, or what's on the underside now. And I think they still need to attach it to the support as well. It's a lot of work just for one piece. And now they finally have the plate on the top side of the track there. So just a little bit more, and then they still have to attach it to the support. The workers over there are standing next to what will be the next section of track to go up. They just put some straps around it. But looking at the time right now, it's towards the end of their workday. I don't think it's going to go up today. They may just be getting it ready for tomorrow morning. But we'll see what they do. The guys are coming down now, so this might be it for today. Well, I thought they were done, but the guys are back up there again. They are attaching the track to the support. And then I'm guessing after that they will be done for the day. The worker in the lift on the left-hand side here is attaching a chain between the support and the track. So that addresses the concern that I had earlier about how much that piece is spanning between the support where it's attached there and the support there that it's not quite reaching yet. And there you go. With the lift coming down, you can see, yep, a better look at how he attached that there. There's like there's a strap around it and then a chain that's cinched down. And other than tightening up the track to the support there, I think they are going to be done for real this time for today. But I'm going to hang out for just a little bit longer to see what's going on. And now it looks like the guy on the left there is removing the strap from the piece of track. And they may be almost done on the right hand side here with attaching it to the support. Well, actually, he's coming down, so yeah, probably down there, other than maybe tightening it up tomorrow. Okay, the track is completely free of the crane now. It's after 4 already, it's about 4:30. I'm guessing these guys are done for real now. Well, I thought they were done for the day, but now they are lifting up the other piece of track. And here goes another piece. But yeah, they're gonna need to rotate that. So I'm thinking, yep, they're just gonna come back down, and then they're gonna have to roll that so it lines up with the track when they get it up there. All right, it looks like they have the piece oriented in the correct direction, and it's going up. You can see the unpainted portions where it attaches to the support and the plate on the other piece of track. When this piece was on the ground, it was flipped the other direction, and yeah, they had to flip it lengthwise, and then they had to flip it to face the other direction as well. And then we got guys over here that are pulling the line in order to orient the track where it needs to be. And they almost got it, getting close. It's looking like they have to rotate it just a little bit more so it lines up, if you see the orientation where the track is and the plate. And that's accomplished by moving those chains over there where that guy's on the lift. It'll twist the piece so it lines up. And there it goes. He's moving that chain there, and it's twisting the track, and it's almost lining up correctly. Just a little bit more to go. All right. They got the track lined up and they're starting to bolt it together. This is where I'm going to leave you. I got to take off. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I will be back here next week. Take care. Bye.